Hello, I'm Priscilla Archangel, and today I'd like to share with you 6 steps to collaborative problem solving. Many years ago, when I first started my career, a colleague gave me a valuable piece of advice, and he said, try not to be a no person when dealing with our business partners. Instead, try to find ways to say yes. Now, let me share with you the context of that statement. At that point, sometimes we had business partners that came to us and they had an issue, they had a problem, they thought through it, they figured out the result that they wanted, and they would simply come to us and say, do this. It's what I call an end request. They gave us the end result that they wanted. But in reality, the way they were going about it may not have been always on target and may not have yielded the result that they really wanted. So the temptation was to just step in, say, no, that's not the way to do it. Let me handle it. But in reality, we always got better results when we had a collaborative process. There are other areas of business and work now where the same is true. Think of fast-growing business, a culture where it's first break all the rules and just do whatever it takes to get things done. But in reality, processes and policies have a place in every organization because they share with all employees what's the process and what's the outcome to get to a desired result. So, here are 6 steps to collaborative problem solving that will help you get to win-win solutions with your business partners. The first one is to acknowledge the request. Sometimes the request may feel like it's coming from left field. You know it's just kind of the not quite the right thing to do, but at least acknowledge that you heard the individual. Secondly, ask questions to make sure you understand what's going on behind the request, not in a defensive mode, but truly seeking to understand. Then, sometimes you just need to take a pause. Step back, tell them you'll call them back in an hour or 24 hours while you do some research and begin to figure out what's really going on. When you come back to it, then you can reframe the issue in terms of what we're trying to accomplish with the entire organization. And you can use it to identify particularly the areas and the goals of cultural dominance that we want to accomplish in that organization. What are our norms? What are our processes that we're trying to align with? Then find common ground and find a way to get to yes. Don't say what you won't do. Tell them, here's what I will do. Here's how I am going to help you to get to that common ground solution that we've identified. These are steps for win-win solutions, and it involves engaging with your business partners at a new level. It involves innovation and finding results, and it also involves learning more about the work that they do. So I hope that you find these 6 steps helpful. Thank you so much for listening.